Welcome to Berlin Felsi Oracle. Today I'm here to explain about this video. This video I put about separation, where I explained that there is physical separation and no contact separation. In this video I spoke about separation being part of the journey, of a twin flame journey, where you have to separate to learn the lesson. But I also wanted to clear that separation is not necessary forever. Sometimes many people think that if you are in separation then only we will elevate. I had told in the video that if you are separate then you will are put into an uncomfortable situation and that pushes you all to your inner work. But that doesn't mean that you all need to be in separation forever. This is something I needed to clear, but that video I only could put 3 minutes, so that is why I'm here to clear that with you. That separation is also an illusion. If you constantly think that if we are in separation then only we will learn, if we are in separation then only we will elevate, that is also keeping you in a karmic loop of being in separation continuously. To break that illusion, you need to understand that separation is necessary, but after you all have learned the lessons, you all need to come together to embody that lesson together as one. So separation is there, but also like people speak about reunion and union. When I say reunion, it is like you all will separate, you all will learn the lesson, you all will reunite to embody that lesson. You all will separate, you all will reunite to embody that lesson that you all have learned separately. So separation takes place, but there is a thing that you all have to also come into union to embody those lessons, to embody what you all have learned as one. Have to be learned together. Not all lessons need to be learned separately. Many people who are in a twin flame relationship think that separation is the only way out of this relationship. Yes, separation is necessary so that you focus on yourself, so that you do the inner work, so that you elevate into your best self. But once you have elevated into your best self, or once you have learned the lesson, you'll have to come back. You'll have to come back and learn lessons together as well. Separation can also be an illusion. Separation keeps you in the karmic. You will keep manifesting separation into your life, and you will not be able to break that loop if you'll keep thinking that separation is necessary for this journey. Separation has its place and time. I'm again repeating that. But it doesn't have to be a continuous thing. It has to be broken. So I am here to tell you that sometimes it is necessary for you all to come and reunite. Once you all reunite, you all can learn the lesson, you all can embody what you all have learned separately. Twin flames are here with light codes. We have come on this planet, we have certain light codes within us. Once we awaken that light codes, once we heal ourselves, we will be able to be as one and create from that light. So to create from that light, it is very necessary that you all come into union and do the work together as well. If anybody is facing trouble in understanding this journey, in navigating this journey, to understand how to separate from the world's illusion, I have a course called Butterfly Alchemy. Message me. You can know more about this course. This course is designed for twin flames so that they awaken the codes within them, and once they awaken that codes within them, they can come and do the work that they are meant to do on this planet. So if anybody needs help, please do message me.